jackets I ordered. And this one looks like it will be for my daughter. Looks really big. So let's see. It looks good. This one is for my daughter. Okay, put that aside there. Got a pink one. Better. That was this one. What size is this? So this one is for my daughter. It's pretty heavy. I don't think we can wear this in the summertime. In the spring, it's really heavy. It's kind of. And this size, let me open it. I have a lining that can be removed. This is the extra large. This is extra large. Extra large. Extra large. So this one's for my daughter. I got her extra large. And it has things to tighten the hood when it rains. You can tighten it so it's like fitting on your head. It has an inner zipper. Zipper. It has the buttons. It has inside pockets. There's the outer pocket here, which is Velcro. So, looks pretty good. Let me try it on. This one's for my daughter. This is the extra large. I got a huge one. This fits me perfectly. So I know it'll fit my daughter. Got this one for her. This one's for my daughter. Okay. So this one. So I got a gray one. I got both a gray one for my son. I got a pink one for me because I didn't get the pink one for my daughter. Because pink, that color is a light color. So here's the pink one, the same as the black one. This is North Face in the bag. It has the same little hoodie things in the hood with the lip to close it. The hood doesn't detach, and I was hoping. Here's the zipper. And this one is size 2X. This one's the one I got for myself. I don't know if you can see, it says 2X right there. And I'm going to try it on because this one's mine. And it's a little bit, fits more comfortably. pink. The sleeves, it says Gore-Tex on the sleeves. They're kind of long, but it's comfortable. And I don't know. Let me zip it up. It looks like it feels comfortable. It feels comfortable. Hers felt a little bit tight, and it was an extra large. Yeah, I bought a North Face jacket for myself. It was an extra large. So this is kind of, it's actually perfect size. It's a perfect size. The sleeves are long. Perfect sizing. This is the one I got for myself. Is there the writing on the North Face right there? Cute. Okay. We're gonna take this one off. And so this one is 2X. Kind of thicker than I thought they would be. And this is the last one I got. This one right here is for my son, and I think this one is a large. So I got him, my son, the smaller one. Because us girls, let me come to this. And my son, he's the smaller one, and it looks like it will fit him perfectly. I'm not even going to try this one on because it's a little smaller. But he got the gray one, my daughter got the black one, and I got the pink one. And it looks very comfortable. It looks like it's the perfect size. So I got some shower caps. This is 200 shower caps. I'm so happy these came because as I've been on a self-care, hair care, natural hair care journey, I've been wanting to take care of my hair, and conditioning it and deep conditioning it is very important. So I recently tried to condition my hair, and I had to use something similar to this. It's like something quite similar to this, but it wasn't exactly a shower cap. So these, they came in 200 pack, so I can deep condition my hair. If I don't want it to get wet, I can try this too. So I got these. Put this over to the side. What else did I get? And then the rest, I got our bags. So it comes a little bag like this. This is the bag I got from my daughter. Her name begins with a J. So this is so cute. It actually feels really nice. And it stands for Juicy, J for Juicy, but it also stands for the first initial of my daughter's name. It has this in here. Oh, I was wondering like where was the, it feels very nice, like the feel of it. It's really nice. So inside is this little thing to hook it on. Hook the purse on. I got this for her just because it begins with the first letter of her name. It has the first letter of her name on it, for Jubilina. And this is her little purse. I'll put it close by. I think it's pretty nice, decent size. And there it is. Cute, right? Okay. Hope she likes this. You can tuck this part in, I think. don't know if this part is supposed to like hang out like that, or if you could tuck it in. But and it has some pockets in it. It says has a zipper, and it has the J. Oh my God, that's even the best part. I don't know if you can see it, but it has a J right there, which is the best little you know, customization, because I got it for her because of the her first initial begins with J. So there it is, J for her first, and that's what you use to open up the inner pocket. And it got like the inner pocket, and then it got a zipper where it has the J. So I think this is a really good purse. You can fit her phone. I don't have my phone here. Actually, I do have one. Let's see, it's phone. It does. It fits the phone perfectly, and it's really cute. So I got that from my daughter. And it came in this bag. And what else do we got? What is this? Oh. Jewelry boxes. These are like suspension jewelry boxes, which you could put like a piece of jewelry inside. Let me see how I can open it. You put a piece of jewelry inside, and then it kind of sticks in there and holds the jewelry. I have a pair of earrings I got, so I can open it in here. A pair of earrings. These two pair of earrings. This one's the gold pair. This one's silver pair. And yeah, I can put it in here to you know, keep them together. So I got those. Oh, and then I got these earrings for my daughter. And this little thing. Well, these hearts are big, and it came in the jewelry. You see, there these. Okay, how do you push it open? And here's this earring, and I got this for her. It says Prada, made in Italy, and they look. The hearts are really, really big, and they look so cute. And I think she could enjoy wearing them. So this is one pair, and this is two pair, and I just got it. The heart earrings from my daughter. I got these for my daughter, and then matches this this purse with the earrings. See, so cute. And so it's supposed to, I wanted to show you those boxes that I got. I love those boxes. But these earrings, it says Prada, it says Milano, and then it says, I'm trying to, if you can see, it says made in Italy. They're so cute. They're engraved. I think I just dropped one in here, but they're so cute. And then they fit inside this box. They fit inside the box like that. And so I'm just gonna put them in this bag because I got them for her. And that's that. What else do we have in here? We got Oh, these are more jewelry boxes. These are huge. These could fit like a couple pieces of jewelry. They're huge. Just like these. Just like these. They're huge. I didn't know they were that big. Wow. And then I got another size. These are a little smaller, smaller size jewelry boxes. I got those. I absolutely love those jewelry boxes. And then I got some of these. Oh, okay. I'm about to say I didn't get Chanel earrings, but I got these earrings. These earrings right here. I'm gonna try them on in another video. But they're the Fendi earrings, and they were in this type of bag. It just came in this bag, and I could also throw them in one of these boxes. I think this one's too small to fit it, but I probably could if I was careful. So, and then I got a pair of, let's see, gold LV earrings right here. I got a silver pair. The gold ones came separately, and the silver ones came in. I got that. And the rest I think are bags. Up. Hair ties. I got 200 hair ties. I wish these came a little earlier. Ooh, there they have a lot of stretch to them. So I got 200 of these because we had a lot of these. They last for a long time, and so I have a box here I'm gonna open. See what's in here. Nice, I guess. Got a box here, and what does it say? It says Louis Vuitton. So I ordered a Hachette Matisse bag, and so this comes with the receipt. Comes in here. Dust bag, and this is the brown one. Got one of these bags, the brown one. Comes with a fill in the bag, and it doesn't have any zipper pockets inside. Actually, it has one in the back, but it doesn't have zipper pockets inside. It just has compartments. I guess you would put your phone here. It has 3 different compartments. There's a compartment here, and then in the middle compartment it says that it has in there, but and you close it. Then I close it. Let me take this off. Oops. So I got this one, and then I got the reverse, so you can hold it like this. Hold it like this. You can't really see, but it's It's a cute, nice size. This one, and then it came with a strap. I think I got like a couple bags. Comes with the strap here. So let's put it on to see how it looks with the strap. I don't know if I put it on the right. Okay, yeah. So it's adjustable. And here it is. Perfect size. I didn't even have to adjust it. I think it's perfect like this. Oh, this is nice. And that looks like it's pretty sturdy, and it comes. That looks good. Looks good. We could take this and put it to the side. And then what's this? What is this? I think this is the other one. This one didn't come in a box. Oh, this is one of the, this is one of those bum bags. These didn't come in a box. Let me just cut this. Okay. This plastic. It's a little bit smaller than I thought it would be. Let's put this card. Comes with this. Comes with this. Comes with a, and it says Louis Vuitton. The writing is a little bit not clear, but it's okay with me. The lining inside is orange, which I like. Zipper works pretty good. Let me take off this plastic. Okay, and then these. Let's see how this bag works here. Okay, I thought this bag would have the little, you know, the plastic clip. You just clip it in, but it has a buckle. It's not a clippable bag. Let's see if I can open it, make it a little bigger. How I make it bigger. Okay. I think I want it. So it's, I thought it would be clipped because, you know, I got one before and the bag was clipped. I put it on the last one. Just it was I guess you put it on like this. And you have it like that. So this is the black one. And this is on the last strap. I didn't make it as big as I possibly could. So let me try making it bigger. So it just pulled it down a little bit. So now it's sitting down a little bit like this. I guess you can rock it like that. And the one thing I like about this bag is like when I go out, you know, you have your stuff. You don't have to have your bag in front of you and dig. You can kind of just look like this and get your stuff out the bag like that. So it looks like it's pretty convenient to open when it's on you, opposed to like you're just holding it like this, getting the stuff out of it like you do with a normal bag. And then it goes around your waist, which I'm not going to do because I didn't really get it to wear around my waist. But it's actually smaller than I thought it was going to be. And that's the dust bag. And then we got another one. And this is the same thing as the brown bag. The brown one came in a box. This one didn't come in a box. It just came in a dust bag with a sticker on it. The sticker was ripped a little bit. Right here, this comes with the strap. That's the paper inside. And okay, this is how you hold it. And just close it. It doesn't seem like it's having a difficult time closing it. Okay, closed. Okay, and that's this one. I ordered this one first, and then I went for this one because I thought this one, I got this one first, but I really wanted to get the all brown one. Ordered this one first, but I was like, this one has a thicker handle than this one. It's a thicker handle. And then here it is. These are the two bags. Okay, I'm gonna put the strap on this one. This one already has the strap to it. This one is a little, the handle is thinner. You see? This one is a little thicker, the handle. So I don't know. Kind of like this thinner handle than this one. It feels better in my hand. Okay, that's it. That's interesting. There's the logo, it says Louis Vuitton on it, on the logo. The replacement doesn't, which is fine. Because it's a little bit better quality, I would say. The replacement strap is... this one will do. Because it's actually the perfect length. I don't know if the sizes, the length of the strap will be the same for all of the bags. So I'm going to put it on the last strap, last hole, to make sure it's long enough. And this is what I bought. Oh, I gotta take this blue. This blue stuff is tricky to take off. Oh, this one's actually came off pretty easy. Okay. When you get this from the store, it doesn't come with this. This comes when you buy it uh, from the vendor itself. If you buy it in the store, they take all that stuff off. So that's the plus from buying it in the store. And then here's the pink bag. Here it is. You can rock it like this. It's a little small, and then it comes with this chain. I'm happy that this chain doesn't come with the blue. Even though I get it's good, it protects it, which is nice. It protects the metal. And this has, oh, this one doesn't say LV on it. It has the LV. It's different. Wait, maybe the other one had that. So this one, it has the little chain that hangs. Some people said like the chain was pretty long. I don't see that the chain is long. And then the last one I have, the last but not least, is the black and white one. And these straps are the perfect, it's perfect. So I don't know what people were saying. They were saying, I didn't experience that the strap wasn't long enough. But that was for the plus size. I've been losing a little bit, trying to lose a little bit of weight. Maybe. So maybe that helped. And this is the bag. This is how it is in the back. It's pretty. So that one. And then there's just one last bag. And then I got an extra. Oh. This one, this replacement strap, actually, and I can use this with that bum bag. It actually says Louis Vuitton. Yeah, so I got another one. I got another one, which is totally ghetto. And it doesn't say Louis Vuitton on it. I would have got this in. But if I need an extra strap for any bag, for any brown bag, I got one. And yeah, this it's nice. This one is actually the one that goes with the Louis Vuitton. It has Louis Vuitton on it, and I can use it. I can use it with this one. So this one got 2 extra straps. This bag has 2 extra straps because I was worried that the strap that came with it wasn't going to be long enough, but it actually is. It's perfect. So I don't see it. It fits right by, like right above my hip or right at my hip, right here. So I think that's good. That's good enough for me. If it was like high, like it wasn't long enough, but it seems to be long enough from what I saw. And this one is the black and white one, which originally when I saw it, actually it kind of does look a little cream. It looks like it's like off-white, but in the camera it looks white. This one is so pretty. I thought it was off-white when I bought it. So this one, and this is the last one I got, and my haul is done. This is what I got. This is the black strap. Actually feels very smooth in my hand. I wonder which one I'm gonna rock first. Just taking these little blue things. This is the last thing I got. I don't know if I'm gonna use this video at all. Oh, my camera's dead. I did two.